G'day Australia, Coram Ellis here from Universalfuze and Audiocom Mobile Electronics. And today I'm going to talk to you about this very exciting dash camera. A dash camera! No one's seen one of those before. Ha! No, but seriously, this one has a few extra little tricks that you should know about. It's the Dashmate DSH932. And there it is in all its glory. And we've just fitted it to this Nissan Pathfinder. Check it out up here. So the camera itself, you've probably seen this style before. It's pretty sleek. It doesn't have a built-in screen because you access the camera content and footage and settings via your phone, via Wi-Fi. It's very easy to connect to, very easy to use. But what sets this camera apart from everything else in its price range, and a lot of things over its price range as well that outperforms most other things on the market, is a few important key features, such as it not only has a forward-facing DVR lens that records in HD, but it also has an inside-facing camera lens here on the back of the camera. So it's recording both forward and inside the cabin at all times. This makes it the perfect camera for Uber drivers or taxi drivers or anyone that wants to keep an eye inside the cabin. Another thing to point out is we often run into a problem, well, a lot of other places run into a problem, where we get a customer with a convertible, like that little beast in the background there, that wants a dual dash camera system, and of course you can't fit one on the back because the roof folds up. However, this unit is perfect for that application. It has the forward-facing camera, and when the roof folds down, it's still recording in 360 degrees inside the cabin and outside the back of the vehicle when the roof is folded away. So you get a dual camera system for convertibles as well as recording inside the cabin area, so you've got full surveillance all around. Now, this particular camera comes with its own hardwire kit that also has it runs permanently on the vehicle, but it voltage monitors so that it won't run the vehicle's battery completely flat, and protects the vehicle's battery so that you can still start the car. So this runs even with the key out of the car and you away from the vehicle. It runs 24/7 as a permanent surveillance device, both in the cabin, around all back windows and forwards. Now, if you had a dual dash camera doing the same thing, where there's one camera on the front windscreen and one camera on the back windscreen, which a lot of other places sell predominantly, you don't actually see the sides of the cars. So if there's an incident, if someone's trying to force entry on the side of the vehicle, they're in a dead spot with either of those camera zones. Whereas this Dashmate DSH932 will eliminate those dead spots by viewing the sides of the vehicle, and you'll have recorded footage of anyone tampering with the side of the car. Now, I'm not done on features yet. To top it off, this thing comes with 3G network access. So you can activate the SIM card included in the box and have full two-way access to this at any time, anywhere. Not only does it operate as a live tracker, so you can see where the vehicle is at any time, so perfect for fleets, monitoring staff, but you can also request screenshots and video footage over the 3G network, and that will allow you to see what the camera's seeing remotely from the vehicle, whether there's someone in the car with the key on or whether there's someone, the car's locked and the key is off. You'll still be able to access the camera at any time and view what's going on. Great for peace of mind and great for keeping an eye on staff if you need to. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, the 3G network's going to be switched off any minute. This is only kind of true. There will be less 3G support in the near future, but there are so many background 3G devices out there in operation Australia-wide that they absolutely cannot switch off the 3G network anytime soon. It's going to be running in some capacity in major areas, major built-up areas for a long, long time to come. It's hard to say exactly how long things are going to change, but it's not going to be all shut down and inaccessible as close as a lot of people seem to think. So, in summary, this camera is an absolute banger. It is sub $450. Now, similar cameras with similar features, as in like cloud-based live view, come in at a much higher price than that normally. We sell a couple of other brands. I won't name them on this video, but they are literally twice the price for similar features, but they do not come with an internet connection. You still need to supply an internet connection to those more expensive cameras costing you more money again. And that cloud-based service is a subscription service, so you still have to pay more money to that dash cam manufacturer just to access your cloud-based footage. Whereas this camera, it's all included just with the cost of the connection with the included SIM. Unbelievable. Really, really good value. Records front and rear, inside the cabin, forwards out the front window in HD. The best camera for Uber drivers, the best camera for taxi drivers, school buses, the best camera for convertibles, gives you the best 360 view, comes with a hardwire kit that lets it run in park mode. You have to pay extra for that with most other dash camera manufacturers. And it comes with a 3G SIM connection, ready to go for you to connect for full live view and remote access from anywhere. Unbelievable value. Get across it, universalfuze.com.au, or come in and see us at our Audiocom stores in Western Australia, and we can supply and install it for you, or pick it up as a DIY kit from the Universal Fuze website. Talk soon.